Apple's brand new iPhone 15 Pro Max is certainly its most advanced phone of 2023, greatly differentiating itself from the iPhone 15 Pro and the rest of the lineup that became official on September 12. With a periscope camera, refreshed new titanium design, a USB Type-C port, and multiple other improvements, the iPhone 15 Pro Max is already shaping up to be one of the best phones of the year. Meanwhile, Samsung has a rather respectable Android flagship in the face of the superb Galaxy S23 Ultra, probably one of the best phones available right now. With a respectable hardware, versatile camera, great display, and Samsung-tailored user interface that's fully benefiting from the deep integration with the S Pen stylus, the large phone is one that's usually topping most top charts. Sure, there are always some major differences between Samsung's and Apple's top phones. However, ignoring the essential operating system and ecosystem differences between the iPhone 15 Pro Max and the Galaxy S23 Ultra, we might find out that these two phones aren't that much different from one another. Both are shaping up to be the two very best and super premium offerings on the 2023 smartphone market. First up, Apple is shaking things up quite a lot with the iPhone 15 Pro Max, introducing a new contour titanium design which not only enhances the rigidity but also keeps the weight down. Another major change that's coming to the iPhone lineup extends to the mute switch, which is be substituted for a customizable action button, similar to the one on the Apple Watch Ultra. This one will allow iPhone 15 Pro Max users to customize the button and enable different functions with it. Oh, and Apple is finally joining the USB Type-C club with the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Nice! You can use the universal connector to charge up the phone and transfer files, though you might need an original Apple cable to make full use of the potential data throughput speeds. What about the Galaxy S23 Ultra? This one relies on the same old glass sandwich design that has mostly remained unchanged in comparison with the Galaxy S22 Ultra. With a very premium design that pairs a flat bottom and top frames with slightly curved display and a built-in S Pen stylus, the Galaxy S23 Ultra is one of the best designed phones of early 2023. Thanks to the titanium design, the iPhone 15 Pro Max is a lighter phone than the Galaxy S23 Ultra. 221 grams, 234 gar. While the difference might not sound like much, it's rare for big phones to score such a drastic weight reduction between generations. The iPhone 14 Pro Max weighed 240 grams. The iPhone 15 Pro Max comes in 4 new colors: natural titanium, blue titanium, white titanium, and black titanium. The Galaxy S23 Ultra can be yours in cream, lavender, green, phantom black, and a few other exclusive colors over at Samsung.com. The iPhone 15 Pro Max comes with a 6.7-inch Super Retina XDR display with very smooth 120Hz ProMotion display that will allow for a pretty rewarding scrolling experience throughout the interface. However, aside from the thinner bezels and the return of the dynamic island punch hole, there aren't any major improvements to the iPhone 15 Pro Max's display, which reuses the excellent screen of the iPhone 14 Pro Max. That one was great, with very high maximum brightness and excellent color rendition, so you'll hear no criticism on our part. The Galaxy S23 Ultra also hides an ultrasonic in-display fingerprint scanner, which allows you to quickly and effortlessly unlock your phone and authorize online payments. The iPhone 15 Pro Max will not have such an offering and will continue relying on the good old Face ID facial biometric. This one is more secure than regular Face Unlock. The iPhone 15 Pro Max retains the high-res 48MP main camera that debuted with the iPhone 14 Pro Max, but adds some neat features like customizable default focal lengths for the main camera, new 24MP default photo size, as well as a 5.0x periscope camera that provides a 120mm equivalent. A new version of Apple's photonic engine, as well as improved HDR, would help the next iPhone deliver even better photos than its predecessors. Improved portrait photography allows the phone to capture depth data even when you're taking regular photos, allowing you to transform these into portraits later on. Better low-light photography is also coming. The Galaxy S23 Ultra, however, totally wins in the pure specs game, as it comes with a 200MP camera with a large 1.3 ISO CELLHP2 sensor. In good lighting, the Galaxy S23 Ultra uses quad-pixel binning to produce very detailed 50MP photos. But when the light goes down, Samsung's best phone will combine 16 pixels into one to produce 12.5MP photos with excellent dynamics. When it comes to video, the Galaxy S23 Ultra has scored improved image stabilization as well as staggered HDR that delivers excellent dynamic range. 8K video at 24 and 30 fps is supported, while the iPhone 15 Pro Max gets ProRes 4K at 60 fps video. The The iPhone 15 Pro Max is shaping up to be a major evolutionary step for Apple, introducing lots of changes to an already established and quite successful lineup. Still, the iPhone 15 Pro Max is likely perfecting all the essential aspects of a regular user's phone experience. Camera, performance, battery life, and design are all likely getting improved. Luckily, despite the rumors for the price hike, the new iPhone is just as expensive as its predecessors. Starting at $1,199 for the entry-level version, the iPhone 15 Pro Max is shaping up to be one of the best value large iPhones ever released. Definitely a prime candidate for the best iPhone so far. Meanwhile, the Galaxy S23 Ultra is very probably the best Android phone available right now. It strikes an awesome balance between available features, hardware, camera versatility, and overall value, even though it also has an official $1,199 starting price. With lots of trade-in offers and deals available almost all the time, you might usually find Samsung's best phone available for less. Which phone do you think is the better overall value? Do let us know your thoughts about it in the comment section. Hope you like and subscribe to this channel. I will see you in next one.